What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find winning products, how to increase your sales, and increase customer satisfaction using Spocket. If you have no idea what Spocket is, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to explain everything to you. I'm going to break it down, give you an overview, and show you how to get started using Spocket today. Spocket is a game-changing dropshipping platform that connects you to the world's most reliable suppliers. Spocket lets you choose their best products, test them out by getting a sample, and get them to your customers fast. Spocket is the largest dropshipping marketplace in the US and Europe. Some of the benefits of Spocket is you can import products very easily. You have tons of reliable supply with great quality products. They have very fast shipping because most of their items are located in the US. You'll be able to get access to real-time inventory update. They have very easy store integration, and they also have a 24-hour customer support. Spocket is trusted by over 130 entrepreneurs. It has over 1 million products on their store. Spocket offer over 10 e-commerce integrations. They have a 4.7 rating. One of the main issues that dropshippers face is slow shipping time. Products in China can take up to 2 months to be delivered to the customer. And what tends to happen is that a lot of customers end up disputing those transactions. The dropshipper get a bunch of chargebacks, and that could cause their Shopify account to be discontinued. Spocket will solve that problem because most of their products are in the US and Europe. The shipping time is way faster. Dropshippers aren't always the most transparent about their shipping time because they fear that by putting a 2-month shipping time, it will scare customers away and they won't have as much conversions. Another issue is that customers don't always read. You might put it in the description that the shipping might take 6 to 8 weeks, but customers don't tend to read. They just see a product that they like and they just hurry up and go ahead and check out. And now, a week or two pass by, and then they're writing comments on your Facebook post saying that this is a scam, or they're emailing you all day saying that where's my product, where's the tracking number. And that's what a lot of drop shippers run into. So with Spocket, you won't have to go through all that anymore. In this video, I'm gonna show you a Spocket overview and show you what all Spocket have to offer and see how this could benefit your drop shipping business. Some of the benefits of using Spocket is Spocket have a section on there that will automatically show you the winning products. They offer a faster shipping time, so you no longer have to wait 2 months. You could get products delivered to your customers way faster. You are able to integrate your products from Spocket directly to your store with just one click of a button, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. To sign up for Spocket, I'm gonna have a link in my description, so just click that link and just sign up, and you'll be able to start using Spocket immediately. After signing up for Spocket, you'll be brought to this page. On the left side, you'll see different sections of Spocket. The first section they have is a section where you'll find your products. You're able to search for that products using the title of the product, or you could search by description or keywords. And they also have different categories as well. You could filter between women clothing, they have tech products, they have jewelry and watches. And you could also come down here and search for products that offer fast USA shipping or shipping under $5. You come down here and just browse through different products that they have. Below here, they have a tab called AliExpress. This just allows you to import AliExpress dropshipping products. Next, we have the winning product tab. So this is what I was talking about. This is where you'll come to find winning products. See, they have tools, a lot of hair products, jewelry. That's the cool thing about Spocket. You don't have to dig and do a bunch of research trying to find winning products. You could find winning products directly on Spocket. Another cool feature they have is image search. Let's say you see a product online that you want to start selling, but you don't know the name of the product. All you have to do is take a screenshot of that image and come here and upload it, and then you'll be able to search Spocket for that same product. And I'm going to do an example and show you guys what that looks like. I've been seeing this product going viral a lot lately on TikTok. It's a blue electric pot. And it's just been going viral because the way they've been marketing that product is just amazing. What they do is they ordered a sample product and they started making their own content. The good thing about Spocket is that you're able to order samples of the product and make your content because there's nothing better than original content. To find our product, what I did was I took a screenshot and I used Spocket image search feature. I just uploaded that image. Once you search for that image, you'll see that a bunch of results are coming in. And this looks a lot like that pot. This one as well is pretty much the same thing, and you can come down and see the different ones they have. So the cost of this product is $15.16. The other drop shipper, they're selling that product for $55. They're making about $40 each sales. Another thing that Spocket have is that you're able to search for products directly on Spocket. To do that, you just type a product that you're looking for. So whatever your niche is, let's do an example here. Let's do fitness. All right, so let's go down here. So it's going to show us all the fitness products. Let's say we want to do this t-shirt, right? Once we find a product we like on Spocket, we'll just click that product, and this is going to show us some more description and details about that product. It's going to give us a nice description. It's going to say this product is being shipped from the US, and they have the supplier, and it's going to have the listing price. This is how much the product is being sold for, and this is how much you'll sell it for. So you'll make about $12.50 profit for each shirt you sell. I just want to show you guys how to use this find products feature on Spocket. And I'm going to show you guys how to actually import those products to your store. To add a product to your store, let's do one of these wooden products. Let's do this shapewear product. All we have to do is click add to import list. And once I click add to import list, it's going to say added to import list. And we come down here and we go to our import list. This is the product tab, and it's going to give us some more information about the product. It's going to have a description for us, but I would actually add a better description for this product. And to find a better description, you could just go find the same product on Amazon and kind of copy what they have there. It's going to have a different variant of the product, different sizes, the different color, the inventory list. It's going to give you some great images. Once you have everything good, all you have to do is push the store, and it's going to automatically import this product to your store. For dropshipping, most business users do use Shopify. I have a link in my description for 3 months Shopify for $1. So for 3 months, you'll be able to test out and try dropshipping for just $1. And the reason why a lot of people like drop shipping is because you don't have to hold products on hand. So you're not spending any money on inventory. The only inventory you'll probably have is a sample if you choose to order one. But other than that, you don't have to spend money on inventory. That's the great thing about drop shipping is you don't need much money to get started. You can get started with just $1. Let's do push the store, go to my store. And over here, it's going to show you the different type of platform that you could integrate your Spocket with. They have Shopify, eBay, BigCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, all the big platforms, they do offer it. Let's look at the shipping time that Spocket have for US products. I just went to find products, and I just went to ship from US, and I'm just going to click on a few products and see what's the shipping time like. Let's click on this one, a tank top. And the shipping time is 4 to 7 business days. This is how much it costs to ship that product. $2.99 to ship this product. That's not bad. You could charge your customers $4.99 and you'll receive $2 from shipping, and you'll also get profit $9 for each product. So, and you know, you can always change your product price. You don't have to use a suggested price that Spocket tells you. You could charge more, or you could even charge less. And even your shipping, you know, Spocket charges $2.99 for each product to be shipped, but you could charge your customers, you know, $5, $6. You know, so as you can see, within a week, this product will be delivered to your customer versus having it shipped from China, where the same product will probably take a month or two to be delivered. So that's just some more of the benefits that Spocket have to offer. Whenever you get orders in your stores, they will be imported to Spocket, so that way you can easily manage your orders and do your fulfillment directly on Spocket. Spocket have an academy, so they'll teach you and give you courses and training to grow your dropshipping business. That's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video to be informal. If you guys are interested in signing up for Spocket, make sure you click that link in my description. If you are interested in the 3 months Shopify for just $1, link is in the description as well. Spocket will definitely benefit your dropshipping business. They offer winning products, faster shipping, and also this will increase your customer satisfaction. Nowadays we have Amazon where they're delivering packages in days. Customers don't want to wait a month or two no more. Spocket is just going to come in and just bring some more waste from your store to increase shipping time. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment on this video.